Today we're going to talk about rice socks. So what is a rice sock? It is a super simple heating pad or ice pack that you can make out of ingredients that you probably have sitting around your house right now. What do you need? First of all, you're going to need a sock. Make sure that it is 100% cotton and doesn't contain any metal threads whatsoever. You're going to need a funnel. You are going to need to have some rice. You can use white rice, you can use brown rice. White rice tends to last about 2 years, brown rice about 6 months. Some alternatives to the rice, you can use beans, you can use barley, you can use flaxseed. Some people like to use whole corn. Just make sure it's not popping corn. You can also add some aromatics if you wish. Think essential oils, you can use herbal tea, you can even use some dried flowers if that's what you prefer. So how are you going to make your rice sock? First, you're going to pour your rice into a bowl just like this. You're going to take your aromatics, mix them in, stir them up. Then you're going to take your sock, you're going to put your funnel into your sock. You want to fill the sock about 3/4 full of rice. Once you have reached the desired amount of rice that you want in there, you're going to take your funnel out, you're going to tie a knot in the top of your sock. You can put a ribbon on it if you wish. When you're done, the product should look something like this. So in order to use your sock, you put it in the microwave for about a minute. Make sure you have a cup of water in there so it doesn't scorch the rice. After you take it out of the microwave, you're going to massage it around, evenly distribute the heat. The heat will last for about 30 minutes, and the nice thing is this does contour to whatever shape the body hurts. This can help with muscle strains, it can help with headaches, it can help with lower back pain. When you are pregnant, it really helps with that lower back pain. During labor, the rice sock is a wonderful relaxation tool. After you have the baby, you are going to have cramps. I recommend you also make a rice sock, keep it in the freezer for those inevitable boo-boos that your kids are going to have. Have you ever used a rice sock before? What did you feel like it helped with? Please let me know in the comments section below. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button. This is CeeJay coming to you from my kitchen. I am at your cervix.
You're still here. Thanks so much for sticking around through the entire video. If you feel as though this information has been helpful to you, or you think you know somebody that might benefit from that information provided in these videos, please feel free to like it, share it, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you did that. Any and all support that you can provide is so greatly appreciated. As always, these videos were not created as a replacement visit with your healthcare provider, rather as a place for you to come for basic, reliable information that is non-biased and hopefully allow you to figure out what questions to ask your healthcare provider at your next visit to best meet your healthcare needs. Again, I appreciate all of your support. If you want to contact me, my information is at the top of this screen, and I will put it in the comment section of this video. That's all I have for today. This is CeeJay. I'm at your cervix.